The cases are plenty on High Court. After knowing Mr. Luis Falero had given the ticket to Mr. Clifford Dias, I still don't mind if John Montero has given the ticket because he have last time 5,000 votes. He have no cases on him. I have no cases on me. After knowing that so many cases on him, he had given the ticket to Clifford Dias. Mr. Luis Falero, I challenge and I charge the Clifford Dias has paid the money to the party to get the ticket. Two other men were there, John Montero and Joaquim Alemao. Anybody should have given the ticket after knowing the Clifford Dias, so many cases are there. And I challenge in Naveli constituency, I'll go on the stage to support who is a opponent candidate for him. On what ground they had denied me the ticket, what ground Montero had denied the ticket, they have to explain to the people of Kupoli constituency.